Hello, targeted Patton. How are you this evening?
Let me slip into something sexier.
I like the mustache you got going on in that one. I like the mustache. The mustache.
I thought I heard somebody getting ready to say something. I don't know.
The mustache.
Because look, I am all about the truth and the facts.
Oh,
I saw the criminal complaint.
Well, like I said, we'll talk about that at the prelim.
Okay, I was just asking what the evidence is.
You're asking me questions in your recording.
You're recording me too, aren't you?
I'm not recording you. That ain't
Why
on,
not?
bro.
Why not?
Because that comes on when I want it to come on.
Well, I'm just
Look, it ain't on.
doing it to protect myself. You know what I
Well,
mean?
I understand that, but
try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test. Expect nothing less, you check as I'm chest, what's happening next? You got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just hold an obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption, just kill no discretion. Your mind is a weapon, 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep, move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep on this evening. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me.
When they got the PFA against Ed and had to move out, they went in and terrorized my dad for 45 days. Ed sat outside all day, every day. They would go in and split up. When they left, they took every fucking light bulb out of the house and shoved candy bars down in the fucking sockets.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, shit like that.
Man, that's beyond childish shit, man.
Dude,
It's crazy.
it's
like,
fucking
It's
evil.
crazy, but like, I see it now. I mean, Ed, what? I mean, straight creeper shit.
So you ready? Are you going to tell Weiland that he sold vapes? You ready?
Hey, Weiland.
Hold on.
Weiland.
Start yet.
Weiland.
Oh my gosh, I remember, I think it was like right after Weiland, not long after Weiland was born, fucking Kim we just came up, I think me and Murdoch, or me and BJ, and Kim's like, well, I need to go to DG get diapers. And Ed's like, really? Now? And he got pissed and just left. He left us there, left Kim, like, she needed fucking diapers. And your dad's just like, what a dick.
Your dad molested this chick one time at a party.
Sold vapes.
Yeah, he got caught up in this.
Vapes.
He got caught up in his buddy's bedroom in the dark. When he went, true. Yes, it is. Yeah, but that was funny. Whenever Ed fucking got caught, you were there, right, in Murdoch's.
Yeah.
And he walked right down out the door.
Kim didn't
yes, it is. There's people that are there that saw it. What were you doing in the dark?
To be upstairs in the bathroom.
You were in Marlena's bedroom next to the bed.
So he fucking tried to molest Marlena.
No. I don't know.
No, I didn't.
What were you doing
so
there?
That up. You're saying I molested people.
What were you doing there?
That's malicious intent.
You said you got roofied. You said you got roofied. You don't remember. You said you don't remember. You got roofied.
Rich roofied me.
Rich wasn't even there.
Yes, he was.
Rich was in fucking jail.
Yes, he was, and he tried to offer me the roofie.
Oh,
that
Rich
he did, slipped into my fucking
Rich
thing.
came to a party at Murdoch's house,
yes,
huh?
He did.
Bullshit.
Asked him.
You said it was Nitty roofied.
And blame it on Nitty trying to roofie. I'm like, Nitty's gonna wear chugs on it.
Nitty roofied you
No, I didn't.
for years.
You said Nitty roofied you.
The
I
fuck
never
I
said
did.
that ever once.
No, we laughed our asses off when you said it.
You hear it when I said about him making out with Tressa, and I wasn't even a dick. I was like, Kim, I'm just telling you. I was like, I was ready to fucking kill Ed that night, but like, I just, you know.
The fact that he did that with Kim right inside and you right inside.
Yeah.
And like.
Bro. Stop it. Get some help.
Fuck me in the ass! Make me harder! Make me harder!
I thought I had the facts. I guess it doesn't matter.
I got a couple really good videos coming out, so stay tuned to the channel. It's gonna be just definitely better content, much you know, you don't want to miss. I put a video out, it'd be worth watching it. I think so anyway. So be good or be good at it.
try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check is I'm chest, what's happening next? He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just hold an obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep, move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep on this evening. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts. Never waste time, you got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off, what do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep, move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep on this evening. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. And when they try the chains, you can say no, free me.